Here's a quick how-to on installing Alien Milling's Denture Gum Extractor blender module. This module helps make it more efficient when it comes to extract a tissue scan from an existing denture while adding a very thin gap. To install, click on Edit, then Preferences. Click Install. Select the Alien Milling Denture Gum Extractor PY file you downloaded. Make sure to enable it. It's now loaded in your sidebar. Now let's import a denture scan file. The next steps are crucial and needs to be repeated in the exact steps. Select the Modeling tab, open the sidebar again, and choose the Alien Gum Extractor. Now, it's very important to zoom using the slider on the module versus scrolling. You may rotate your view and pan the camera as needed, but just remember to zoom using the slider. Face the denture so you're looking at it from the teeth view. Press the number 5 on your numeric pad to change the perspective view. This lets you see more of the denture. Zoom until the denture is full screen without cutting any of it off on your screen. You can leave iterations at 2. Raising the iterations will give you a cleaner look but takes longer to process. Add gap is automatically selected to 0.12 mm, accounting for saliva. Click Extract. Not only does it delete all of the vertices of the denture except for the bottom tissue, it shifts it away from the denture and flips the normals. Now you can export this STL file and use it as a tissue scan for your next denture design. Here's some view of the denture and the denture tissue scan. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this free module for Blender from Alien Milling.